so we've been keeping it from you guys for a long time, but today's the day we reveal. You know, I thought the E36 was going to be my drift project, and then I ended up hating it, and then, you know, I got the 240, and you know, that's played out. So I'm actually picking up a drift Accord. I think this is an Accord. Man, I probably could have. Never mind. I bet this thing rips. Almost as ripping as this guy. Is that a Taurus? No, I think it's a Malibu. Huh. Anyway, we're here at my brother's house today because my brother has a white S14 that is pretty cool.
Yo, also, we dropped these in the last video, but if you didn't see the last video, we got new merchandise, so check it out. Lanyards, a couple different colors. We got pink, red, black, green, and then we got keychains too, in a couple different colors, and stickers.
Anyway, this is my brother's S14. What are we doing?
His house, his garage.
We're gonna drop the diff out in welder. Getting tired of the one tire fire action.
I've never seen a diff get welded before.
Really?
You hadn't?
I haven't.
Wow.
I've only boated them before.
Interesting. Oh yeah, this is my brother's like spot. This is where he lives. He lives in this garage.
I actually live in the rafters. That's what the plywood's for.
I thought those were for rafting. Scooby boo. You want to trade gas tanks? Honestly, I'm gonna JB weld mine. I don't want to get a new one. I do want to get a new one, but like, it's just like a lot of work. I feel like if it just doesn't leak anymore, it's fine.
I feel that.
I know Quentin feels that.
So how long have you had the car jacked up and been working on taking the diff out?
Oh shit, maybe 5 minutes before you got here?
Also not like 3 days.
No, God no.
Not 3 days. Yeah, that's wild, dude. How do you do that? I feel like it's stuck on something else because that bushing is not that solid.
You know why?
Why?
There's a second nut back there.
Ah.
Oh. Hey, I bet it comes right the fuck out now.
And out comes the diff. Wow, you strong.
Hey, remember doing the transmission in your car?
Yeah, weighs about the same.
It fucking feels like it. Alright.
Now it's 3 hours of brake clean.
Perfect.
That's amazing.
Fuck it, it'll stay.
What heads are these off of?
302.
Damn, imagine having one of them. But you go, Jojo.
That would have taken 30 minutes at my house.
That's a fact.
That's why shit takes so long. We'd be like stepping on it, trying to get like good leverage and digging through my fucking garage, trying to find a long ass pole to break
try to
those with.
stabilize it and use against it.
Yeah, true. I realize it would be so much better if we just had air tools. All right, now you just do the old
taparoo,
fucking
crack it loose,
fucking sucking. Just whack it with a hammer.
Put the nasty in the basket.
One time I whacked the shit out of an E36 stiff trying to get it open, and then realized
you took the other 4 bolts out.
Yeah. It was a good time. Like, I used a sledgehammer and shit. I was like, what the fuck is holding this on? Turns out it was more bolts.
There we go.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Beautiful.
RTV. Well, there was a paper gasket at one point.
This is just so clean. I'm not used to seeing 240 diffs that are like clean around the edges.
Shit, about to get dirty.
It smells like a nice vinaigrette. I would put that on my salad. Ooh, that is some dark oil.
Yeah, it's probably the original Nissan oil.
Do you have brake clean?
You got beer?
I don't have either one of those.
Oh, you're really fucked then. Well, we found 1 can of brake clean.
It's not gonna do it.
No.
Just not gonna do it.
And I'll tell you why it's not going to do it. Because we're welding the diff. And it needs to be dry.
Wow,
That's a really good explanation.
thank God Quentin was here. Oh yeah, dude, just hang it. Yeah, kick the can real quick. Oh my god. Holy, that works? Yeah, buy us a diff hanger.
Air tool.
You even got
awesome.
a horn.
Right? I need to put that on my car.
Do you not have a horn in your car?
No.
Dude, you want to see
Front
my
end
horn?
damage.
Check this
Hell
out. Yeah, let's go check out my horn. I don't think YouTube's ever seen my horn. I did this like just in my spare time. Fuck! Look how cute it is. A little hunk hunk. And go check out my button. Go see where it is.
Jesus.
Yeah, see if you can find my horn. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go to AutoZone to get more brake clean, but there's a guy, Chris's friend is on the way. My brother's friend is on the way.
We're going to AutoZone to get more stupid.
Get more stupid.
What?
You know. It's like the...
I'm glad he edits this shit out.
Girls go to Jupiter to get more stupider?
No, boys go to Jupiter to get more stupider.
Okay, I'm pretty sure you can flip them. This is the exact opposite of Astroglide. Look at this.
Is it Mariner's Glide?
No. So we're leaving Chris here and we're just gonna go buy brake clean. Bye! Look at that open ass diff.
And let that dry. I think that should do it. Don't do this at home, kids.
What are the possible negative side effects of that?
Cancer. At least in the state of California.
Ah,
There we go.
why?
Discharges the can. Makes it safe for you to throw it in the garbage.
Hey, I paid good money for that can.
Well, you can get your 10 cents back out of it in Oregon, maybe.
Whatever. Explain to the chitlins why brake clean.
Brake clean. It removes oil from steel parts because it's a much thinner solvent than other oils. And so what it does is it lifts it out of the pores and lets you wipe it clean.
And it evaporates super quick.
Yes,
so
because it's so thin.
it fucks off
It
immediately.
flashes off is what that's called.
No, it's called fucking off.
And you want your surfaces impeccably clean so that you get a really good bond between the two metals.
Yeah. Give it a squirt.
Squirt.
It's a first person squirt. It's like Doom.
Jesus.
And that's how you weld a diff.
There we go.
Yep, there you go, kids.
Pack it full.
So you want to heat the two metals up because they're two large thermal heat sinks basically. And when you weld on top of them, what will happen is those pieces will stay cold and your weld just beads up on top and it never fully penetrates the pieces of metal and fuses them together. So you bring the two surfaces up to temperature and then weld them together and they all fuse as one much easier. Especially because I'm just using a Harbor Freight little 180 welder.
And it's done. To protect.
Melted the freaking gear back. This baby's got some booty to it. Damn.
Let me get a peek at that. Oh, she glowing.
Actually need to turn it down a touch.
Looks like fucking Frankenstein's lab in there. Like, with the like lights flashing and shit. All right, let me come look at it. Oh my god, it looks like someone just sprinkled some pepper in it.
Right.
Jesus Christ, that's a slaggy bastard.
God, gotta
It's gonna-
love that.
It's gonna take a lot of cleaning up.
Yeah, it is. Holy shit. Work better.
Here she comes and yo, fuck it, it just comes. Yo, who you? I'm Dr. Death, motherfucker, ever heard of me?
So that's one side welded.
Yeah.
Time to have two sides welded.
Yeah.
And two sides is all the sides, so it'll be done. Time to time to start in on
Yes.
part 2. It sounds like it's trying to say something. God damn. Well, it's done. Yeah.
That works too.
Now that the air compressor shut off. It cleaned up pretty good. It's still not perfect, but fuck it. It is so much better than it looked when fresh after being welded. It looked like absolute shit. Throw it back together and throw it in. And then do a burnout. Is this
Obama?
Is this the Obama? What the heck? Okay, so is this a garage burnout or is it a shed skid?
I got a closing door. Let's see, like barn doors make a shed.
Oh, true. That's a good point.
See, like that building over there, shed. This building, garage.
I guess that's the difference between us and Australia.
My shed, sheep shed.
We shed down at the seashore. Oops. Oh, you gotta go over the sway bar?
Yep.
Yeah. Jackety, jackety. Oh, you're about to fall off the jack.
Here we go.
You're in the holes.
Good.
So the diff is in. The exhaust is 99% on the way back on. And then it's time to drop it down and immediately smash this diff into a million pieces. Dude, you got the ultimate burnout chocks up here. You don't even need the brake. Oh wait, show the internet your patch.
Why?
What?
My patch. It's almost my whole back now.
Why does that happen?
Always,
It's like an
just
angel wing, dude.
So I'm dead serious. It started out this big. Like I got my first back hair and it was a patch this big.
It was just some shit we used to make fun of him for all the time.
Ready?
Yeah. The thing about that is the front's on gravel.
Yeah.
So it just pushed.
I don't think I put a hole in it for you, Quentin.
No.
Well, it is certainly welded. And yeah, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching my brother here weld his diff.
Watch, like, subscribe.
Watch, like, subscribe, the classic. Oh, that front's just all fucked up. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out. Buy our merch. Give us free money.
Yay, free money.
Free money. It's not even free. It's just money.